solid stretch. Trying to find a way to do it at home with stuff that we have at home, like a belt. So, move the ski. No, it's balance of the human body. So if one shoulder has an issue, a range of motion issue, you can use this to help strengthen. So what I like to do, and I've read for validation from some people, is you pull this not too tight, okay, and then you push back against. Okay, so this is working both arms actually. So you got to manage and make sure your shoulders are locked, both of them. And this is what makes sense to me. So experiment. That's all I do is experiment. With this, you can check range of motion. You can pull with the thumb and index finger and measure what kind of range of motion you have on both arms.